Are you concerned about an unlevel foundation and its impact on your building's safety and value? An unlevel foundation can lead to serious issues, including cracks in walls, uneven floors, and sticking doors or windows. These problems often stem from poor soil compaction, water damage, or soil movement. Early detection can help prevent additional degradation and costly repairs. I'm Justin, and today we're looking at how to identify the root causes of an unlevel foundation and the engineering solutions we use to fix them. Your foundation is the critical element that connects your home to the ground, ensuring that the weight of the building is evenly distributed. When it is not level, the entire structure moves unevenly. This leads to structural damage like cracked walls and ceilings, misaligned frames, and sloping floors. Beyond the cosmetic issues, it stresses your plumbing and electrical systems, increasing the risk of water leaks and fire hazards. In severe cases, it even weakens the structure's resistance to natural disasters or leads to a risk of collapse. Foundation settlement occurs when a building sinks into the ground. Uniform settlement happens consistently and rarely causes major structural problems. However, differential settlement occurs when parts of the foundation settle at varying rates. This is the main cause of cracks and misalignments. The primary culprits are expansive soils that shrink and swell with moisture changes, poor soil compaction during construction, and even tree roots that create gaps underneath the foundation by absorbing moisture. To know if your foundation is unlevel, you need a professional inspection. We look for cracks in interior walls, particularly around doors and windows, and in exterior brickwork. We check for uneven floors where objects might roll and gaps forming between the floors and baseboards. We also inspect for visible shifts in exterior features like porches or chimneys pulling away from the home. Addressing these issues early is crucial to avoid more complex and expensive maintenance later. Foundation leveling is the method used to address this settlement. One primary technique is underpinning. We use push piers, which are driven into the ground using a hydraulic ram to transfer the building's weight to more stable soil. We also use helical piers, which screw into the ground to reach solid strata and can be used regardless of the structure's weight. For filling voids and stabilizing loose soils, we may use polyurethane deep injection, where expanding foam lifts and levels the foundation quickly and minimally. Attempting to level a foundation without appropriate expertise can result in total structural failure. Always seek professional advice for these repairs. If you see cracks, uneven floors, or doors that stick, contact Dalinghaus Construction today for a thorough inspection and expert advice. Reach out now to ensure your building's stability and protect its value. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.